you are about to hear is real. It has not been edited or enhanced.
I will see you, Lord.
It is the voice of Ruth Baxter.
I will see you, Lord.
This voice was recorded in August 2003. Ruth Baxter died in 1987. Electronic voice phenomenon, EVP, is the process by which the dead, through sound and image, communicate with the living through the static and white noise of modern electronic devices.
Get out! My house! Get out! My house!
What we've all hoped to be true is in fact possible. Our loved ones can reach us.
Mr. Rivers, do you want to hear your wife?
But if they can come through, who else can come through?
It is one thing to contact the dead. It is another thing to meddle, and you are meddling. Oh my God.
The subject of some movies is so disturbing that those who experience them will never be the same again.
No!
White noise.
I will see you, Lord.
Sit down.